The Fundamental Methods of Mathematical Economics by Alpha Chiang is one of the classic books in economics in my view. Now this is the third edition. The fourth edition was published in 2005, and in my view not much has changed ever since. It is a timeless beauty. This book was my best friend during my undergrad studies of economics at the University of Munich. Every time I wanted to dive a bit deeper into mathematical economics, this book provided an excellent overview. It is quite a substantial read with more than 700 pages, lots of exercises and a few selected solutions. I believe it covers all the essential topics in applied mathematics needed to study economic problems as an undergraduate and postgraduate student. Let's have a look inside. Basically, it covers linear algebra quite extensively and calculus. Most chapters are also useful if you want to study econometrics. You would need to add some probability theory, but this book provides a useful starting point. Of course, not a big surprise, most chapters deal with optimization problems and dynamics, which is exactly what you would expect as the focus is on the study of economic problems. This book, in my view, is suitable for self-study. The exercises are quite doable and realistic. Most topics are well explained, and many examples are used to illustrate the main concepts. I might in fact cover a few of these problems in future videos. Just leave a comment if you have any particular interests. In summary, this remains my favorite book on the subject, highly recommended, a great read in August over the summer. Enjoy your holidays. See you soon.